Helpful affiliate marketing tips and advice. There is quite a bit of money to make through affiliate marketing, but you must first learn valuable information to help you in your venture. There are several tips that should be applied to a successful marketing plan, and many of them have been included in this very informative video. To find a good affiliate marketing opportunity, you should look for great products. If the products or offers used do not meet satisfying quality standards, your marketing strategy will definitely not have a good effect on customers and reflect a bad image of your company. A good product will get you some attention from customers. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. Get in touch with your affiliate programs managers and keep a conversation going. These managers can provide you with exclusive tips and advice on how to increase your page views and sell-through rate. Program managers can offer free items to give away and promote on your blog. They can also provide information on new products coming through the pipeline. Make sure that the affiliate program that you are signing on with has a great reputation. If you find a company that does not have a good reputation, you may find yourself working for nothing. You may work for hours to get things going well on your end, only to not be paid in the end. Use ranking tools and software to research what works for your audience. Find out what ads and pages are gaining you customers. If a particular ad is not sending any traffic to your affiliate, then get rid of it and try something new. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking to get to maximum effectiveness. Apply the tips and the information that you have read in this video to your marketing plan, and you are sure to see your plan come together nicely. A great plan is going to make it much easier for you to make a success of your affiliate marketing business venture. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.